You spend years believing that graduation will be one of the happiest days of your life. You imagine freedom, success, a fresh start. But then it finally happens. You wake up the next morning, and instead of excitement, there's just silence. No classes to attend, no exams to prepare for, no clear next step. And for many people, that's when the emptiness begins. If you've ever wondered why this happens, you're not alone. In fact, psychologists have been studying this feeling for years, and the answer is much deeper than you might think. Here's the surprising part. The problem isn't graduation. The problem is what your brain loses after graduation. For most of your life, your brain has lived inside a system. Every year had a goal: pass the exams, finish the semester, get good grades, graduate. Whether you liked school or not, your brain always knew what came next. Then, almost overnight, that structure disappears, and suddenly you're responsible for creating your own direction. Research in psychology shows that humans experience less stress when goals are clear and predictable, but when structure disappears, uncertainty increases, and uncertainty is one of the biggest psychological triggers of anxiety. That's why graduation doesn't always feel like freedom. Sometimes it feels like standing in the middle of an empty room. But there's another reason. For years, your identity was simple. You were a student. Think about how often people asked, "So, what are you studying?" Your identity had an easy answer. After graduation, that answer disappears. Now the questions become much harder. What do you do? What's your plan? Where do you see yourself in 5 years? And suddenly, it feels like you have to figure out your entire future immediately. Psychologists call this an identity transition. During major life changes, people often experience uncertainty not because they're failing, but because their old identity no longer exists while the new one hasn't fully formed yet. This is completely normal. In fact, studies on emerging adulthood suggest that your 20s are one of the most psychologically uncertain periods of life. Most people assume everyone else has it figured out. They don't. There's one more reason graduation feels empty. It's something psychologists call the arrival fallacy. The arrival fallacy is the belief that achieving a major goal will permanently make you happy. If I just graduate, if I just get the degree, if I just reach this milestone, then everything will feel different. But research on happiness consistently shows something fascinating. Humans adapt surprisingly quickly to positive life events. This phenomenon is known as hedonic adaptation. Your brain treats achievements like a new normal much faster than you expect. The excitement fades. Not because your achievement wasn't important, but because that's simply how the human brain works. And that's why so many people feel confused. They reach the goal they spent years chasing, yet they don't feel complete. The truth is, goals create direction, but meaning comes from the process, not the finish line. Once the process disappears, your brain starts searching for another source of purpose. That's why graduation can feel strangely empty, not because you failed, but because your brain is asking a new question. What now? So what should you actually do? Don't panic if you don't have your life figured out. Research suggests that purpose isn't something people suddenly discover. It's something they gradually build through action. Instead of trying to plan the next 10 years, focus on the next month. Learn one new skill, meet new people, apply for opportunities. Small actions create momentum, and momentum creates clarity. Most people wait until they feel confident before taking action. Psychology suggests the opposite. Action often comes first. Confidence comes later. So if graduation feels empty, it doesn't mean you're lost forever. It probably means you're standing in the space between two versions of yourself, and every meaningful chapter begins exactly there. If you enjoyed this video and learned something new, consider subscribing. I make videos about psychology, self-improvement, and the hidden patterns behind human behavior backed by research and explained in a way that's easy to understand. And if you've ever experienced that strange emptiness after graduation, let me know in the comments. I'd love to hear your story.